This is not a magic trick. This is a science experiment. Pour water in a cup. Put a paper towel over the top of the cup. Turn the cup upside down. No matter how much you shake it, the water inside does not spill. Put the glass on a candle and bake it black. Drip water on it. Water droplets on the glass instantly jumped up. It's amazing. Hold the orange peel against the candle. Squeeze out the juice with force. You will find that the flame becomes large in a flash. Tear off the surface of the disc with tape. Heat this spot with the candle. Blow gently. Super series of bubbles appear. Pour the milk into the Coke bottle. After a period of time, Coke becomes transparent. Soak the eggs in the white vinegar. Wait until the surface is covered with bubbles. You've got a soft egg. Put 2 magnets on both sides of the cup. You will see the tornado in the water. Put the salad dressing in the bottle filled with water. Squeeze the bottle. The salad dressing will float up and down. Put the tape on the balloon filled with water. Pierce the balloon. The water will be held in place. Pouring baking soda and white vinegar together. Carbon dioxide will be produced. Put the mouth of the cup near the burning candle. The candle will go out. Turn the bottle with hot water upside down. Put an ice cube at the bottom. The water in the bottle will boil up. The ashes left after the paper burns. Rub it with your fingers and white smoke will come out. Put a few magnets under the battery. Put a coil on top. This is the power of electric car wheel rotation. Follow me. Teach you more science experiments.